Hi, welcome you back. During this lecture, we will discuss about working of four-stroke diesel engine. The four-stroke cycle diesel engine operates on diesel cycle or constant pressure cycle. In this engine, ignition takes place due to the temperature of compressed air. Hence, it is also called as compression ignition engine. The construction and working of four-stroke diesel engine is as shown in figure. The four strokes are as follows. First, suction stroke. During suction stroke, piston move from top dead center position to bottom dead center position. During this stroke, inlet valve is open and outlet valve is closed. As the piston moves from TDC to BDC, inside engine cylinder negative pressure, that is vacuum, is created. Due to that, surrounding air is sucked inside engine cylinder. In case of SI engine, during suction stroke, we have to suck or induced air plus fuel mixture, that is called as charge. But in case of diesel engine, during suction stroke, only air is induced inside engine cylinder. Next, second stroke is compression stroke. During compression stroke, inlet valve as well as exhaust valve, both valves are closed and piston move from BDC position to TDC position, that is bottom dead center to top dead center position. So as both valves are closed and piston move from bottom dead center position to top dead center position, whatever the air is induced inside the cylinder, that air get pressurized, that is compression of that air takes place. Due to the compression, the pressure and temperature of air inside engine cylinder increases, and theoretically at the end of this compression stroke, high pressure fuel is injected, that is diesel is injected in the engine cylinder with the help of fuel injector. Once the fuel is injected inside engine cylinder, that fuel comes in contact with high temperature air. Now, due to this, the temperature of fuel increases above the self ignition temperature of fuel, and that fuel gets auto ignite. As the ignition of fuel takes place, there is a tremendous amount of heat energy is produced inside cylinder. Due to that, whatever the gases present inside engine cylinder, these gases try to expand, and that expansion force is exerted over the piston, that is next stroke, that is expansion stroke. So during this stroke, again inlet and exhaust valve, both valves are closed, and due to the expansion force of the gases, the piston moves from TDC position to BDC position. During this stroke, expansion of gases takes place, hence it is also called as expansion stroke, or we get a power output, hence it is also called as power stroke. Next stroke is exhaust stroke. Once all the gases are expanded, after that exhaust valve is open and inlet valve is closed, and piston moves from BDC position to TDC position, bottom dead center position to top dead center position. Due to this upward motion of piston, and as the outlet valve, that is exhaust valve, is open, whatever the smoke or residual gas present inside engine cylinder, that is exhausted to surrounding. So these are the four strokes of engine, that is diesel engine: suction, compression, expansion and exhaust. That is, one power cycle is completed with these 4 strokes. Hence it is called as 4-stroke diesel engine. In this engine, during suction stroke only air is induced and fuel injector is used as compared to petrol engine. The working of 4-stroke petrol engine and diesel engine is nearly same. Only the difference is that in case of petrol engine, during suction stroke, air plus fuel mixture, that is called as charge, is sucked inside engine cylinder, and in case of diesel engine, only air is sucked inside engine cylinder. Second difference is, in case of petrol engine, spark plug is used to produce a high intensity spark, that is for the ignition of fuel, and in case of CI engine, instead of spark plug, there is a fuel injector to inject the high pressure fuel inside engine cylinder. And last, there is a heat addition process, or there is a difference in heat addition process. In case of petrol engine, heat is added at constant volume, and in diesel engine, heat is added at constant pressure. So this is the working of 4-stroke SI and CI engine. These strokes are represented on pressure volume diagram as shown in figure. From A to B, there is a suction of air takes place inside engine cylinder. Next, from B to C, there is a compression of that air takes place, that is reversible adiabatic compression. It is also called as isentropic compression of air takes place, that is from B to C. As the air gets compressed, its pressure temperature increases. So after the compression, high pressure fuel is injected, and as the fuel is injected inside engine cylinder, due to the temperature of air, the temperature of fuel increases above the self-ignition temperature of fuel, and fuel gets ignite. That is, heat addition takes place at constant pressure. That is, from C to D, heat addition takes place. Once the combustion of fuel takes place, these combustible products, that is gases, try to expand, and this expansion force is exerted over the piston, that is from D to E. That is stroke is called as expansion stroke or power stroke. Gases gets expand and we get a power. And last is E to B, that is exhaust stroke, which is similar to the petrol engine. Again, the exhaust of these residual gases or smokes takes place at constant volume.